Hello friends, welcome back to Kim Pins. Ooh. I'm here with our Alltrue Mystery Bundle. So this is a separate bundle. I got it from the member market. They did like a pop-up market in February. So I bought that. It is the $300 mystery super bundle. So I don't know what's in here. It is supposed to be valued at $300 and I spent $39 on it. So let's open her up. Try not to look in the box. First, we have, Diff Eyewear. Okay, so let's see what they look like. All right, here we go. Diff Eyewear. I'll hold these up nice and close. They are like a tortoise shell. So these are blue light glasses, and I'm kind of excited. I know I wear glasses, but I can't see anything. I have no idea how these look. So they are supposed to be blue light blocking. And this is actually perfect because I just got myself some contacts. So I'll be maybe dipping my toe back into the contact game. Oh, it came with a little cleaning cloth. So when Diff Eyewear, when these were in the actual box, I did not choose them because I didn't have contacts at that point. It says, for every pair of Diff shades sold, we donate one pair of glasses to a person in need. And we have, Autumn Sunset. This is from Botanica. Oh, it's a soy candle. Oh, excellent. I've gotten really into candles recently. Oh, this is another item that I did not pick this in the box that it was in. I think it was in our fall box. It smells really good. Very pretty holder, like glass part. I don't know. And we've got cosmetics. Oh, this is a retinol serum. Cockall? What is that? So we've got a serum here from Cosmetics, which is a nice brand. So it says use morning or night. So got another serum and you know what? Age defying nail treatment. I have this. I chose it in another box. So it's a little two set here, and one is a cuticle oil, if I'm remembering correctly. So there's a nail growth optimizer and a cuticle oil. So I've used the cuticle oil. I just always kind of forget that I have these. It's a good product. I just, I forget that I have it. Hey, oh my God. It's another feed tote. All right, we've got another feed tote in a different, I do not have this pattern. So heck yeah, if I ever do shopping in person again, which unlikely. Okay, so I did some quick researching. They don't send anything with these mystery bundles to give you value. So we know the feed tote is about $100. I looked up the glasses on Diff. These are about $100 as well. And I looked up the serum. This is $80. So if you do that, and then I just assumed, I think this was like somewhere $16 to $20. And then assume probably $20 for the candle. That gives us a value on here of $318 estimated. So, pretty good mystery bundle. I'm pretty happy with this. I could take or leave the nail treatment. So honestly, even if they didn't include this, I probably would have hit about that $300 value. But always happy to have another feed tote, although I think Alltrue. I think 3 is probably my limit. I'm excited to try to burn the candle. I've been really into candles lately. I don't know. And we'll see. We'll see about this retinol serum. It is plant-based. So, as you get older, those fine lines just creep in. If we can just keep them at bay, we'll see. And I'm excited to try the blue light blocking glasses. I need to get a new pair of prescription glasses, and I will definitely be getting blue light blocking in there, but this just helps if I happen to be wearing my contacts. I can't see my screen, so that's this week's video. I hope you enjoyed the mystery bundle. We have another mystery bundle coming. I have no idea when it will be here. But I bought it when we did the spring customizations for a spring box. I did it through that member market. And I got, for this next mystery bundle, it's supposed to be valued at $500. So I'm excited to see what they put in there. I'm hoping maybe not any repeats of these products, but we will see. Oh, and they did add, so when I was purchasing this $300 bundle, because we did a $300 bundle, I think last time, it said that they weren't going to repeat products between bundles. Now, I don't know if that's between because they have like a $100 bundle, a $300, now $500, but I think between the $300 bundles, they probably won't repeat product. So I have no expectations for the $500 bundles other than the expectation that I will be unboxing it with you here on the channel, and I will absolutely be unboxing my spring box and reviewing those products again like we've been doing when I get that spring box. Probably, at the end of spring come summer. So that's this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, like this video. If you didn't like this video, like this video. And subscribe so you don't miss any of the content here on Kim Pins. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!